Lexus has just unveiled the all-new 2024 GX550, and this luxury off-roader is nothing short of a revelation. From its jaw-dropping performance to its stunning new look, this SUV is raising the bar for what a premium adventure vehicle can be. This beast is packing some serious muscle under the hood. We're talking a jaw-dropping 550 horsepower and 515 pound-foot of torque from an all-new twin-turbo V6 engine. That kind of power in a luxury SUV is unheard of. But what exactly sets the GX550 apart from its predecessor? And more importantly, is it worth the premium price tag? Get ready as we explore this unique model and also answer various questions, because this is going to be a wild ride. You see, ever since the emergence of Lexus, the brand has built a reputation for producing high-quality, well-engineered vehicles that cater to the premium automotive market. One of Lexus' core models has been the GX SUV, which has been in production since 2002. The GX has historically been positioned as a mid-size luxury SUV that blends on-road comfort and refinement with genuine off-road capability. The previous generation Lexus GX, known as the GX460, featured a body-on-frame construction and was powered by a 4.6-liter V8 engine. While a capable and well-regarded SUV, the outgoing GX had a somewhat boxy and utilitarian aesthetic that may have seemed out of step with the expectations of modern luxury buyers. Over the years, the GX has maintained a loyal following among consumers seeking a premium off-road-ready SUV. However, the segment has become increasingly competitive, with rivals like the Land Rover Defender, Mercedes-Benz G-Class, and the recently redesigned Jeep Wagoneer, raising the bar in terms of style, technology, and performance. It's against this backdrop that Lexus has decided to completely overhaul the GX for the 2024 model year, transforming it into a true tour de force in the luxury off-road SUV space. The all-new Lexus GX550 represents a clean-sheet redesign that aims to catapult the model to the forefront of this prestigious segment. Starting with the design, ditching the boxy utilitarian aesthetic of the old model in favor of a sleek, modern silhouette that oozes premium appeal. The front fascia features a bold, rearward-sloping grille that gives the GX550 an almost predatory look, with sharp, angular headlight housings that further accentuate the aggressive styling. The sweeping roofline and sculpted bodywork create a sense of forward momentum, even when the vehicle is standing still. Lexus designers have paid meticulous attention to the details, incorporating crisp character lines along the sides and a tailored, tapered rear end that gives the GX550 a more dynamic, athletic stance compared to its predecessor. Complementing the striking exterior are a range of alloy wheel designs, ranging from the standard 20-inch units to available 21 or 22-inch options that fill the muscular wheel arches to perfection. The use of premium materials like aluminum, chrome, and gloss black accents throughout the body further reinforces the GX550's upscale persona. Under the hood, the real magic happens. Powering the 2024 GX550 is an all-new 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that delivers a staggering 550 horsepower and 516 pound-foot of torque. That's a massive increase over the previous GX's 4.6-liter naturally aspirated V8, which produced 301 horsepower and 329 pound-foot of torque. This new twin-turbo power plant, co-developed with Lexus high-performance F division, has been meticulously engineered to deliver unprecedented performance for a luxury SUV. Lexus is claiming a 0 to 60 time of just 4.7 seconds, which is downright supercar territory for a full-size, 3-row family hauler. But the GX550 isn't just a straight-line performer. It's also got the off-road chops to back up its on-road prowess. Standard 4-wheel drive, a sophisticated suspension system with adaptive dampers, and a suite of advanced off-road tech features make this Lexus just as at home on the trail as it is on the highway. The inclusion of features like a 2-speed transfer case, an electronic locking rear differential, and advanced traction control systems enable the GX550 to tackle even the most challenging terrain with confidence. And with a towing capacity of up to 8,000 pounds, it's a true workhorse that can haul everything from boats to horse trailers with ease. But the upgrades aren't just skin deep. Step inside the 2024 GX550 and you'll be greeted by a cabin that's been completely overhauled as well. Gone are the plain utilitarian materials of the old model, replaced by rich premium materials that create a truly luxurious environment. The base model comes standard with beautifully stitched perforated leather upholstery, while higher trims can be had with even more sumptuous semi-aniline leather. Elegant wood trim accents adorn the dashboard, steering wheel, and door panels, elevating the cabin's sense of sophistication. At the heart of the interior is a state-of-the-art infotainment system, anchored by a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen display. This high-resolution display offers lightning-fast response times and intuitive smartphone-like controls, making it easy to access navigation, audio, and vehicle settings on the go. For audiophiles, the available 23-speaker Mark Levinson Premium Audio System is a revelation. Engineered in collaboration with the acclaimed audio brand, this concert hall quality sound system immerses occupants in a truly immersive 360-degree listening experience. The attention to detail extends to the comfort and convenience features as well. Heated and ventilated front seats, a panoramic glass sunroof, and a power-folding third-row seat that makes accessing the cargo area a breeze are just a few of the standout amenities on offer. Lexus has also equipped the GX550 with a suite of the latest driver assistance technologies to help make the driving experience as effortless and confidence-inspiring as possible. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree surround view camera system are all available, elevating the GX550's safety and convenience to new heights. But perhaps the most impressive upgrade is the GX550's all-new platform. Lexus has decided to ditch the old body-on-frame design in favor of a more modern, car-like unibody construction. This not only improves on-road handling and ride quality, but it also allows for a more spacious and comfortable interior. The GX550 can seat up to 8 passengers, and with a cavernous 57.2 cubic feet of cargo space behind the second row, it's the perfect family adventure vehicle. And let's not forget about the fuel efficiency. Despite its massive power output, the GX550 is surprisingly efficient, with an EP estimated 19 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. That's a significant improvement over the outgoing model, and it's sure to appeal to the eco-conscious luxury buyers. Of course, all of these impressive upgrades don't come cheap. Pricing for the 2024 Lexus GX50 starts at $75,000 for the base model, and that can quickly climb to over $90,000 for a fully loaded version. But for those who can afford it, this SUV offers a level of performance, capability, and luxury that's hard to match. The base GX550 comes equipped with a host of premium features, including 20-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights and taillights, a power liftgate, and a premium Lexus audio system. Stepping up to the mid-range premium trim adds even more luxury, with features like a 15-inch infotainment display, a 23-speaker Mark Levinson audio system, and a panoramic sunroof. For those who want the ultimate in off-road capability, the GX550 off-road package is the way to go. This adds features like a revised suspension system with adjustable dampers, a locking rear differential, and a suite of off-road focused tech features including the aforementioned bird's eye camera system. No matter which trim level you choose, the 2024 GX550 is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. The bold, aggressive design, coupled with the sheer power and performance on tap, make this Lexus a true head-turner. But the real question is, does the GX550 have what it takes to redefine the luxury off-roader segment? Based on our initial impressions, the answer is a resounding yes. This SUV is a true game-changer, offering a level of performance, capability, and luxury that's simply unmatched in the market today. From the stunning new exterior design to the jaw-dropping power under the hood, the 2024 GX550 is a true tour de force. And with the latest in-cabin technology and driver assistance features, it's a vehicle that's as smart as it is capable. So if you're in the market for a premium SUV that can tackle the toughest terrain while delivering a luxurious and comfortable driving experience, the 2024 Lexus GX550 should be at the top of your list. Get ready to be blown away by this incredible new offering from Lexus. What do you think about the all-new 2024 Lexus GX550? Are you as excited about this luxury off-roader as we are? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And be sure to check out our future videos on trending automobile news. Also, do well to like and subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our next videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.